EverTest verification report displays the test case data table with test signals, parameters, and description. For plotting the relevant signals in the verification report, please use the EverPlot function in the test case description. Such dynamic plots help to understand the test cases and to prepare for reviews and inspections. Just use the name of the input signal and start the test. You see how the plot is visualizing the data. The related time vector with success criteria will be color plotted automatically: red for failed, light green for tolerated, gray for ignored or tolerated over time, and green for past test steps. You can see the complete EverPlot function call above the plot. You can move the plot legend around, highlight specific signals in the plot and in the data table, or switch off the signals on the plot to focus on specific signal behavior. You can navigate within the plot and analyze particular areas of the plot by using the cursor. You can control it by dragging over the plot with the left mouse key. The plot cursor is synchronized with the related time step in the data table. You can drag over the plot or over the data table to see the values of the signals. They become red when they change from previous to current time step. You can redefine the signal colors and markers by using the MATLAB notation. Set B for blue color and D for diamond marker. Please note that these features are fully documented in the EverTest help for EverPlot function. You may plot complete vector signals, and you can choose specific vector elements by using the MATLAB notation. The syntax like this will plot only the second column of the vector in magenta. It also happens to be an enumerated data type. Now let's talk about outputs. Please use the name of the output signal and start the test. The reference and the tolerance values for output signal will be plotted automatically in the same color. The numeric values for references and tolerances are displayed in the legend. The cursor shows the current time step. The frame around the reference value shows the value-based and the time-based tolerance values corresponding with those in the legend. Additionally, the reference image is plotted for each output signal to display the expanded signal flow for visual analysis. It is useful if you are trimming your test cases for better usability and smaller file size. You may show the comments for specific test steps on the plot if you add a bigger than sign in front of the related cell in the description column. Vertical dashed black lines will appear in the plot with associated comments above. You may use parameters for plotting the supportive horizontal lines if needed. You may zoom some plot area by using the drag function of the middle mouse key. It might be a scroll wheel on your device, and come back to the original view by clicking on the Reset Zoom button in the plot. When dealing with signals of very different ranges, you can resize the related plot signals by using gain and offset. You may also generate multiple plots by using the EverPlot function multiple times. You can also display pictures in the verification report. All major image formats are supported.